today I'm doing my Social Security budget for October, but first, my income went down. I used to get $963, but in September, Social Security did like a 5-year review. Like they do reviews every so often when you're on, especially when you're on SSI, which I get like a little check. It's around, well, it was $63. Now it went down to $57. So now I get $959. Oh, it went down because because I have an Etsy shop and I had to report my income from that. So that's the reason my check went down. It went down $4. So now I get $959, and my rent is still $360. I rent, and this is for a single income. It's just me and my dog Nikita. For those that are new, I rent from a private landlord in a small town. So that's why my rent's so cheap. And it's a trailer that I live in, but I've been here like 6 years. So the rent's $360, and then I pay electric and gas. Electric this month was $85, and gas is $62. That's including the taxes. So that's $147. And then I don't pay any transportation because my landlord takes me for free. Or I take it's a little blue bus. It's free in the town I live. So I don't pay for transportation. And then if I have to go to the doctor or any medical, my medical insurance covers so many rides a year, which I don't pay for. So the 360 and 147, that's 507. And then my internet this month was $56, and I'm on the lowest plan I can be on for my internet. It's just me, so it covers my needs. And then this month, Mint Mobile, because I'm on Mint Mobile for my cell phone, and I pay like for 6 months, and that is $133, which is better because I used to pay $120 every month on because I used to have Metro by T-Mobile, and I used to pay for a phone and a little hotspot device. I used to pay $120 a month for that, but now I pay $133 every 6 months. I'm trying to save up I think it's $190, and that's for like the 5 gigabyte plan with Mint. And I'm trying to save up $190 so I can pay for a year. But right now I'm paying for every 6 months. And then I save $20, or I spend $20 for streaming. And right now I have Hulu on demand with ads. I think it's going up to $10. But I think they just charge me like almost 8 something. So, and then I have another one. I don't know if you guys, it's a live TV, but it's the Friendly TV. And I have that, and that's, I think, another $10. So 56, 133, and 20 is 209. And then what else? Oh, I'll put it down here. Household. That's for Nikita's dog food and treats and anything I need for the house. And I'm saving $60 for that. And then personal spending money, I'm doing $60. that's basically if I go out, because me and my landlord go and eat, like, usually once a week we'll go to some fast food. And that's what that's going to be for, and if I need anything extra food, if I need it. And then I'm going to I'm saving less this month. I'm saving 120. And then I put, I think, $3 I had left over for buffer. So 120 and 120 is 240. Oh, plus the 3. That's 243. Let's see. So 507, 209, and what did I say? I think 243 plus 243 is 959. So that's what my budget looks like this month. And I try to stick to it as best as I can. But this is just the Social Security income that I get every month. It doesn't include the Etsy. But this is all I have for today. I'll see you probably not till Sunday for group play, and then Monday minis. Hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.